Alright, unless I'm mistaken, this is my last requirement, is sharpening a knife. And I'm going to use my modified old hickory knife that I kind of have been using for everything. It was really sharp when we started. I started the Bushcraft Basic, and I've tried to use it for everything so that it'd get a little dull by now. But you can see it's still, well, you can still cut paper, but it really is not cutting it very well. So I'm going to do the sharpening, and then we'll see if it's better by then. So again, or just like in the instruction, you lay it flat, bring it up until it comes flush, bring it around, do the tip. And then always do the same to the other side. Oops. Alright, and I'm going to do the same thing through the successive finer grits, and then I'll be back to you. Okay, now we're going to use the leather and see how it goes. So that's quite a bit of cleaner cut. Just seeing how the tip is. The tip could use a little work here. Okay, so that's a little sharper. So there's the last requirement, knife sharpening.